Laser White proudly presents Musk Al Tahara Skin Lightening Cream for intimate and sensitive areas. This product is made from a mild formula. This dark spot corrector does not irritate skin and is extra gentle on the most sensitive skin and areas of your body, making you more radiant and attractive. Enhance your natural beauty with this intimate cream. You can use this cream on your underarms, armpits, knees, elbows, areolas, nipples, neck, lips, and other private areas. Made with natural, quality, plant-based ingredients. Use Laser White Musk Al Tahara Skin Lightening Cream twice a day, in the morning and evening. Your skin will be fully nourished, repair damage, healthy, and lightened. Laser White Musk Al Tahara Skin Lightening Cream comes with promotion-free herbal fitting insertion. Laser White Musk Al Tahara Skin Lightening Cream is a top quality product by Laser White.